Hello and welcome to this section on resources in Xamarin.Android. We're first going to look at how we load images from our resources folders, both in a layout sense and from a programmatic point of view. When would you want to know about the programmatic point of view? Well, if you included images in a list view, you would have to do it that way. Then we're going to look at translating our app using different strings.xml resources. And this is going to happen completely automatically by the Android system as long as we set it up right. So app translation, if you wanted to hire a translator to translate it to Spanish, it wouldn't take you very long and they wouldn't have to know anything about coding in order to do it. Then we're going to look at the difference between assets in our Android and resources. And there's a crucial difference, and you'll use assets one time and resources another time. Then we're going to look at creating images so they display well on different screen densities, because there are more than 5,000 different Android devices out there, so we have to ensure that everything shows nicely on each device.